formally beginning our session. And welcome to our esteemed speakers. We are humbled by your presence here today.
Innovation, in a word, is about changing business models and how one might take advantage of what's happening in the environment to actually initiate thinking about new business models. And
let me just quickly introduce the session. This is the Power Hour of Innovation. And we will have a topic on environmental sustainability, second on social innovation, third on the shared economy, fourth on digital marketing, and fifth on education.
I've been given 7 minutes to talk about food, water, and energy. That seems like a tall order. I know you all in Hong Kong like to talk fast, but I'm going to have to break some records, I think. So my plea is for us to think, first, following Dr. Fung, think broadly about innovation. Don't just think about the small t technologies, beautiful and glamorous though they are. Think about
social innovation begins with respect for the people that you're trying to help, not an abstract problem. It uses the constraints of a particular issue to create the boundaries within which innovative thinking becomes possible. And it tests its ideas through rigorous experiment to find what does work in practice, not what looks reasonable from the data.
He says, I think that people have gotten so used to the status quo that they've lost their sense of imagination. And they've lost their ability to see what are problems that with technology and with better problem solving that we can actually solve.
Just keep on doing everything the same as what we used to be, doing the same thing as what we are good at is not good enough in order to survive in the next 100 years.
All right. Great. I got some challenges and also opportunities going on here. Great. In order to satisfy the curiosity, the curious learners and so on and so forth, we want credits, we want degrees. So earlier this year we launched this Global Freshman Academy. What it is with Arizona State University, even though you don't have to go to Arizona State University, you can transfer the credits later on. You can take all the freshman courses online and get credits.
Now this bedroom, it had no furniture. I had moved out. There was no bed. But Joe had an air bed. So he set it up, and instead of calling it a bed and breakfast, he called it an air bed and breakfast. Now you know where the name Airbnb comes from.
I'll introduce them quickly. We are delighted to be able to discuss China and innovation in China with two very distinguished experts on that very subject. Please.
I personally would divide the innovation into like two layers. One layer is sort of like innovation in product and innovation in business model.
I think China has grown into the world's leading breeding ground for business innovation. And I think a lot of people really are quite hung up with this definition. It has to be technology, has to be quote unquote invention. I think ultimately anything that really help, a company or a group of people to increase productivity in a significant way, that is innovation. To add value in the process, right, to the shareholders, that's innovation.
We are committed to developing Hong Kong into a knowledge-based economy, one that thrives as the region's innovation hub. I have great confidence on the development of innovation and technology in Hong Kong. My confidence is assured by the enthusiastic participation and productive discussion in the conference this morning. I look forward to your support and collaboration with Hong Kong.